What if we could scan and restore the human body to its perfect state, erasing illness, reversing aging, and preserving memories? Imagine a future where sickness and aging are no longer inevitable, but optional. This idea isn't just science fiction. If we could map every detail of a person, every molecule, every neural connection, we could theoretically disassemble and reassemble them at will, restoring health and youth indefinitely. The process would involve 4 key steps. First, mapping the body, storing a complete mathematical blueprint of every cell and memory. Second, identifying the reset point, choosing the optimal age and health state for restoration. Third, reconstruction, using nanotechnology, quantum computing, or biophysical regeneration. And fourth, memory and consciousness reintegration, ensuring the restored person retains their experiences. Right now, mapping a single human brain in full detail remains a challenge. But what if quantum computing accelerates the process? We already have cellular reprogramming that reverses aging at a cellular level. We have brain-machine interfaces that could store and transfer consciousness. Some believe this technology already exists, but is being kept from us. Many researchers suggest that powerful groups have already unlocked radical breakthroughs: anti-gravity propulsion, disease cures, even consciousness manipulation. If true, why are these advancements hidden? Who controls access to life-changing technology? And can we break the secrecy? If these secrets exist, exposing them won't be easy. We need whistleblowers from within black-budget projects. We need leaders willing to challenge the establishment, and we need public awareness to force transparency. Some believe Trump might be the wild card that forces disclosure, but can he survive long enough to do it? The future of humanity may already be written, hidden away from public view. The question is, will we unlock it in time, or will the few continue to control the fate of the many? What do you think? Is this the next frontier of human evolution, or just another fantasy kept out of reach? Let us know your thoughts.